Step 3, it's my favorite part and my favorite number. So, the holiday cocktail. Again, cranberry limeade, and we made the spicy frosted cranberries in this really fun orange slice cube. And let's put this together, okay? So I'm gonna pop out the ice cube right in there. Again, my kids love mocktails, and there's a couple of people in my family, including my lovely husband who's behind the camera, who does not drink. So I'm always trying to figure out ways for everyone to enjoy a fun drink. Look at this orange ice cube. Come on, look at that. That looks amazing, right? Okay, so what we're gonna do is we are gonna hit it with any sparkling limeade of your choice. Actually, wait, before I pour that, I wanna talk to you about this. Cranberry juice, unsweetened. That's important because the limeade is already sweet enough. So we're gonna do 25% of the limeade. So it's a 75-25% ratio. Don't measure it right now, okay? I'm not measuring, there's no need to. And I'm gonna top it off, oh yeah, with the sparkling limeade. This looks amazing. And then, again, the frosted spicy cranberries right on top. Holy cow. This looks amazing. And again, if you want to add any alcohol, I think vodka would be a great choice. You guys, this is amazing. I love the tanginess of the cranberry juice. I love the limeade. I love that it's not too sweet. That's my big thing with cocktails or mocktails. They just taste like sugar cubes, right? Not this one, I promise. Anyways, guys, cheers. I cannot wait for you to make this recipe and definitely tag us, okay? Bye.